Hi guys, it's me Ty here coming from Vientiane, Laos, and today I'm going to show you guys the cheapest place to buy cough drops here in Laos, because here in Asia cough drops are tough to come by, and when you do find them it's such a tiny little packet and it's so expensive it's not actually practical. So I'm in the city center of Vientiane, and where you go is you go to D-Mart. It's like a grocery store slash Walmart. They have, it's 2 stories tall on the inside. So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you guys what I do for cough drops. Okay, here's the medicine section, you guys, and I'm not sure if they have the cough drops here, because what I use is an alternative. Okay, they're not here. And here they are. We got cough drops here. 42,000 for this tiny little box, size of a cigarette box. And yes, that's over $2, just a ripoff. Then we have Halls here, just a little tiny thing of them, barely, I think there's like 7 of them in there for 33 cents, another ripoff. And then this is what you will actually see in like Cambodia and Vietnam, but especially Cambodia. And these things are very expensive, so well over $1. And it says says Fisherman's Friend, and it says there's supposed to be 22 in there, I believe. Look at how tiny this package is, you guys. They've got to be so tiny. This is probably only like 7 cough drops in the United States for something well over $1. So I asked one of the girls in Cambodia what they do for cough drops, or where I could buy some, and she said that she ordered hers online from Thailand. She got a giant box, and all it was actually was candy with salt and lemon inside of it. And I asked her if I could pay her for it, and she's like, nope, it's a gift here or whatever. And I was like, oh, okay. So I took that to Vietnam because I had to endure my flight there, and I didn't want to be coughing like crazy. So I started thinking, what could I do? I was like, maybe it's best to have candy or whatever. So we'll go to the candy aisle and I'll show you what I use, and it works really good actually. The candy aisle might have been this way. Check. Alright, this is what I first started using, you guys. Were these here. There's 25 individually packaged candies in here. It's hard candy, and it's got like a creamy center or whatever. And 15,000 kips. That's 75 cents. And those worked. But what I actually like better is these here. They're 15,000 as well. And it's assorted flavors, and it's hard all the way through. And they're the shape of cough drops, just a little bit tinier. And there's 25 in there in that pack as well. So this is what I've actually been using when I've in my room, so I don't wake up my roommates and stuff like that. So, and actually hard candy here is pretty cheap here. And look at the size of these darn bags, you guys. This is my hand, and yeah, not nearly the size of them. And it's 50,000 kits, so whatever, $2.50. So, and they got bigger bags here, which are 28,000 kip, a little over $1. So, yeah. But yeah, like I said, I would especially recommend this one here. This is the one I really like. So, all right, if you guys like this content, like, share, and subscribe, and I will keep kicking out these money-saving videos from Vientiane, Laos. All right, bye.